stuff till it won't go down. Now here comes that clogging sound.
Choke, choke, skr, skr, spinning and wildin', grinding that mess, don't stop, keep piling. Sink starts choking, I start thinking, man, this ain't right, the pipes start leaking. Yo, hit the switch and hear the monster roar. Get the motor going and rumble the floor. Hit the switch once, 2 times, maybe 3 more. Blades spin fast as they go to war. Tossing scraps, veggies and more. Not looking back, fun, not a chore. But now it's stuck and it don't sound nice. Add the chemicals, not once but twice. But a knife in my hand, now I'm mad. Jamming in leftovers, this smells so bad.
Garbage disposal goes round and round. Shove it all in, just pound and pound. Add more stuff till it won't go down. Now here comes that clogging sound.
Leftover taco and a chunk of bread. Blade spinning fast, grinding bone to shred. Got them pipes all moaning like the living dead. And if the landlord hears it, he'll have my head. Pipe's gonna bust, maybe this is the end. Sticking more things in, going full send. Try the reset button, flip the breakers and switch. Jam to my screwdriver, fork another sandwich. Choke, choke, skr, skr. Add more till the stuff don't go down. Gluck, gluck, that drown. Till it won't go down. Gluck, gluck, that clogging sound. Grab the floor, spray, the stank is rising. Vanilla spray to start disguising. Doom in the room like a moldy mushroom. Then I hear chicka chicka ka 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 boom. Spinning like a record, grinding up mess. I screwed up, but I tried my best. Sink is smoking, got me choking. Pipes keep croaking, towels are soaking. Tried to poke in, disposal broken. Yeah! Choke, choke, stir, stir. Add more till the stuff don't go down. Gluck, gluck, don't drown. Till it won't go down. Gluck, that clogging sound. Lemon peels, nah, ain't the trick. Coffee grounds got worse real quick. Now I'm knee deep in my 3rd YouTube guide. Who's gonna be able to save me this time? Hot dog in my hand and my pride on the floor. I don't think I can do no more. Neighbor peeks out, says, what's with all the noise? If you're having drain problems, son, just call the boys. Down in doo-doo town, they're the best. Mount Washington, sewer, yo, forget the rest. From the 408 to the 603, no job too big, they'll get that doo-doo free. Garbage disposal goes round and round. Shove it all in, just pound and pound. Add more stuff till it won't go down. Now here comes that clogging sound. Choke, choke, skr, skr. Add more till the stuff don't go down. Gluck, gluck, that drown. Till it won't go down. Gluck, that clogging sound. Garbage disposal goes round and round. Shove it all in, just pound and pound. Add more stuff till it won't go down. Now here comes that clogging sound.